Welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. Hey everybody, it's me, Ava. And it's actually my YouTube channel, but I'm with my mom today and working now. It's mine/hers. She works out, but I do fun. And so it's both of our channels mixed together. Now let's get started. Let's get on to the show.
Alright, what's our first workout?
Our first workout is squats.
Squats, right. How many squats are we going to do?
6.
6? Okay, she's going to do 6 because she's 6, and I'm going to do 20. You ready? Let's go. Make sure your toes forward. Go down all the way. 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure your tummy's nice and tight. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Where'd you go? 12, 13,
This is now I look
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right. Now let's take a break with our legs and work our abs a little bit and do some chair kicks. Stay on your mat, okay? How many chair kicks are we going to do?
You do 21 and I'll do 12.
Okay. All right, ready? Go. 1, 2, 3,
I said
4. Keep your stomach nice and tight. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I gotta do 10 on the other side.
11, 12.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Whew, I'm out of breath. Are you out of breath? This is great for legs, abs, and cardio.
Oh, you have to do one more. Remember I said 21.
Oh, 21. Okay, 21. Good. All right, next let's do pop squats.
Oh, I love
We're only going to do 10 pop squats.
Yeah.
So we're going to go down, together, down.
Yeah. Down, together. 1,
5,
3,
6,
5,
7,
6, 7,
8,
8, 9, 10.
10. All right. What should we do next? Sit up. Good job. All right, let's do lunges.
Lunges.
Okay, you ready? We're gonna step forward.
No, and we have to do 6.
Okay. 2, 3,
Hi, Triton.
4,
5.
5.
Look at Triton.
I see him down there. Rolling in the grass. 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do 20 of these. 11.
Hi, Triton.
12, 13,
Triton.
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alright, what should we do next? Glute bridges?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like
Okay, you're going to cross your legs.
I like it. This
Alright, lift 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, well, my camera is losing battery and memory, so I don't know where that video cut off at, but just to recap, you're going to do 20 squats, 20 chair kicks, 10 pop squats, 10 sit-ups, 10 lunges, and 10 glute bridges. I know in the video I was doing 20, that's because I was letting Ava pick. But you're just going to do 10 of everything, and you're going to repeat it 3 to 5 times, depending on your energy. And I hope you enjoy it.
1, 2, 1.
Let me see. Okay, that looks